a time to the location with your eyes still closed. Once there, keep your eyes closed, kneel down and crawl slowly forward until I let you know to stop. In a moment, I'll help you duck your head and crawl forward a little further still. Stay on your hands and knees and open your eyes, open your senses for a 30-second experience. Return to the group when I touch your shoulder.
I had to wait, I think, three persons or so I had really time to sink in, and the sound of the lock that made my brain projecting images of a jail or so, and because I'm in this state of okay, waiting and someone is gonna take me, that contributes also to this feeling of yeah, that there is kind of a jail situation.